Hey guys, it's Charlie Fish here today going over our new 11 and 19 JETFIRE Turbos. Now one might ask, why would you redesign a product that everyone already loved? Well, we did a lot of research and looked into the market. We brought out a bunch of the best tuners in the world. We drove these trucks. We installed a lot of different turbos on these trucks. And what we found out is people want more power sooner. That's what most people want. And unfortunately, I feel like a lot of the market has been chasing top end power, which is cool. You know, it sells turbos when you look and see that this one makes 5 more horsepower than that one, and that one makes 7. But what people really care about from talking to thousands of customers is how they drive. What does that mean? Low end spool up, low end torque, how the power feels when you're leaving from a stoplight, when you're towing at 1500 RPMs going down the road. And unfortunately, a lot of the market was going towards what can we do at 3500 RPMs on a high horsepower tune at wide open throttle, which our turbos did very well. But with these ones, we're like, how can we push the limits on how well they spool? If anyone's driven a 2020 turbo versus an 11 and 19, or specifically a 17 and 19 turbo, the 2020 turbo just spools so fast. We put a lot of R&D into our 2020s. And with that technology, we're able to bring it back and put in some of these older units, and it's totally changed the game for how these are going to run. Now, they're going to be very different from before. We had our stage 1, 2, and 3. Now, it's the JETFIRE. That's it. No stage 1, 2, and 3. We have one turbo now that spools faster than our stage 1, makes more power than our stage 2, and basically covers like 90% of the market. Before, I think people were splitting hairs and the technology wasn't quite there, but with a wider power band, with spooling up quicker and making more torque with the same top end power, we decided not to confuse people with a bunch of different options. So if you're looking for a 600 to 650 horsepower turbo, this is the one for you, the new JETFIRE. Now, we do offer a super spool turbo for you 11 to 14 retrofit guys that are never going to upgrade fuel. You're only looking to make like 500 to 550 horsepower. But for most guys, we're going to push you into the JETFIRE because it spools incredibly fast. It makes great power and checks all the boxes of what you want. It tows well, sounds great, spools fast, makes about 650 horsepower. We've had some trucks up around 700, but we recommend it for the 650 horsepower and below guys. Now, if you're upgrading and have current tunes, this is important. These do not tune like anything before. With the amount of technology we put into these, how much faster they spool, you will need new dedicated JETFIRE files. If you don't have those already, reach out to your tuner and ask them if they'll update your device for the new JETFIRE files. And if they don't have them, tell them to reach out to us. We are happy to work with them. That's what we found is working with tuners to get these trucks dialed in best, provide the best customer experience. So that's what we've been doing. We've been reaching out to tuners, specifically guys like AMDP. They flew out here and spent a week dialing in all these turbos for the new tunes that they're going to release as soon as these turbos come out. We've been working with a lot of other tuners also to help them out. So if you're a tuner, you're watching this video and you have any problems, send us an email. We're happy to go over the files. All right, we're not going to go a lot into sizes today, and a lot of you will be disappointed, but here is why. 2 reasons. 1, we're trying to slow down the copycat. I know that sounds weird. A lot of people out there will go through your website, copy your specs, and try to make something similar. Or we've noticed that people get a little confused in the sizing, that they think the size means everything. But I'll give you an example where it doesn't. If you take apart a 2020 factory 6.7 turbo and measure it, it is much smaller than, let's say, an 03 Powerstroke turbo. But the 03 Powerstroke turbo is only rated to 400 to 450 horsepower. And that new 6.7 turbo is rated to over 600 horsepower. So you're kind of comparing apples and oranges here. And I think too many people are comparing sizes instead of technology. And we have found that technology goes a long way in these turbochargers. So to slow down the copycats and to not confuse customers, we are releasing the specs of how these run, what kind of horsepower they make, what fueling recommendations we have. And we're working with tuners directly to help them dial in their files. Because it's not like you think. You can't type in a compressor wheel and a turbine wheel size and make it run right. It doesn't work that way. You got to dial in the vane tables and the boost set points and get these turbos to run properly. So if you're a tuner, have questions about sizes, reach out to us. We'll help you dial in the file. If you're a customer and you have questions about sizes, reach out to us. We'll give you the dyno graphs comparing these to competitor turbos. We'll show you how quick they spool up, how well they tow, and that's essentially what you want for your truck. That's the real info that you need. It's how they drive, how they tow, how they spool, and how much power they make. These turbos are incredible, and we're super excited to release them to you. These are available for all 11 and 19 trucks. So for your 11 to 14 guys or your 15, 16 cabin chassis trucks, you will need the drop-in Warlock kit. Now, our kit includes one extra thing that the other guys' kits don't. That's the larger 4-inch inlet. That's what you get with the KC Warlock that you don't get with any other turbo manufacturer. They neck this down so you don't have to buy the lower intake manifold. We provide the lower intake manifold and we leave it at the larger 4-inch because it does add more power. It is better spool up. So you 11 to 14 or 15, 16 cabin chassis guys, you got the Warlock. And on the 17 to 19, or if you've already done a retrofit kit, you can buy the 17 to 19 drop-in turbo. We're not going into exact specs, but I will tell you between the previous model and the new model, all we changed was the compressor wheel, the turbine wheel, the unison ring, the vanes, the sizing, basically
everything.
We redesigned the whole turbo to give you the best experience, and we are really focusing on more power sooner. That's what we want. That initial response leaving from a stop sign or you lugging the motor at 1500 RPMs, we want you to be able to feel that turbo response and the turbo kick in, because that's what makes these things fun. The new 6.7 Jetfire turbos are available in a Whistler and a non-Whistler version. So the non-Whistler version won't have absolutely zero whistle. It's impossible with the VGT. You'll get a little bit of hairdryer sound, but the Whistler version sounds sweet, like sweet music to your ears. So we do offer both versions if you need one or the other. You guys have any questions? Comment below, hit us up on an email, give us a phone call, hit us up on any of the social medias, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. If you have any questions, let me know. We're happy to help.